KZ Guy 2 here. Real quick guide on how to replace the cabin air filter on, I believe, 2007 to 2017 Volkswagen Jettas. You come down on your passenger side and with a pocket screwdriver, twist out this little plastic screw, and then there'll be another one located right over here, but that one's actually missing. Once you do that, you can quite simply pull down on this and pull it out. It goes right back in the same way. You got to just tuck it all in neatly, and then right here is your cabin air filter. You push over toward the passenger side and pull down. You can see these little clips here. They actually slide through the filter foam itself when you're putting it back on. And I'm just checking this guy's filter. He wanted me to check it out, but it doesn't look very dirty, so we'll leave that alone. But yeah, that's the guide on how to do it. Stuff her back in, put this in, put the foam on, and you are done. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a thumbs up or subscribing. And if you buy a filter from that link down below, that helps support the channel out too. Thanks a lot, guys.